Hey YouTube, I just got a robin, another one with my Daisy Grizzly with a pointed pellet, or actually this time it was a flathead pellet. Yeah, there's the guy. I'll go show you the bird. I was actually on my deck, and I leaned over the side right here, which I was talking about this nest in another video up here, and then there is the robin. Yeah, this one was a neck shot right there. I was aiming for the back of the head, but as you can see, instant death with all that blood. So, yeah, pretty good kill. Oh, I might as well show you this. I also got a blackbird last night with my Airmaster77. Right there. Shot it right in the back of the head. Yep, that's all for now. Yeah, I've just started hunting with my air rifles, really. Like, legit started. And, well, yeah, I've been having some pretty good luck. Oh, see you later.